The book, Banned Knowledge, or related books about forbidden knowledge, typically focuses on information or ideas that have been suppressed, censored, or considered too dangerous or controversial for mainstream society. The value of such books often lies in their ability to challenge conventional thinking, uncover hidden truths, and broaden perspectives. Here's how it could help. 1. Promotes critical thinking by presenting censored or controversial topics. It encourages readers to question established norms and think critically about accepted knowledge and beliefs. Books or materials labeled as banned knowledge often contain ideas or information that challenge mainstream beliefs or societal norms. When readers engage with such content, it fosters critical thinking in the following ways. 1. Questioning established norms. Banned knowledge often challenges widely accepted truths in science, history, or culture. This encourages readers to ask, why was this knowledge suppressed? Who benefits from keeping it hidden? Example, learning about Nikola Tesla's lesser-known invention sparks questions about why they were sidelined. 2. Evaluating evidence. Readers must evaluate whether the information presented is credible or biased. This involves researching, cross-referencing, and analyzing arguments to separate facts from speculation. 3. Identifying biases. Suppressed knowledge often reveals biases in historical narratives or institutional practices. Example, books on colonial history sometimes omit indigenous perspectives. Banned works may restore these voices. 4. Challenging comfort zones. Some ideas might feel uncomfortable or counterintuitive. Critical thinking involves wrestling with these ideas rather than dismissing them outright. Example, ethical questions in banned philosophical texts can challenge deeply held beliefs. 5. Encouraging independent thought. Engaging with controversial or hidden knowledge trains readers to think independently rather than relying on mainstream opinions or authorities. 2. Empowers with awareness. Such books often expose hidden truths or suppressed information, empowering individuals with insights that might not be readily available elsewhere. Banned or suppressed knowledge often reveals hidden truths or overlooked perspectives. By exploring these ideas, readers gain awareness that can empower them in several ways. 1. Uncovering hidden truths. Suppressed knowledge often exposes information intentionally omitted or distorted in mainstream narratives. Awareness of these truths allows individuals to understand history, politics, or science more holistically. Example, books revealing forgotten scientific discoveries empower individuals to appreciate alternative advancements. 2. Understanding power dynamics. Many banned works highlight why certain information is hidden, often to protect powerful institutions or maintain control. Being aware of these dynamics enables individuals to critically evaluate authority and recognize manipulation. 3. Strengthening personal agency. Knowledge equips people to make better decisions in their personal, professional, or civic lives. Example, awareness of suppressed health remedies or environmental issues empowers individuals to advocate for healthier lifestyles or sustainable practices. 4. Fostering informed activism. Awareness of hidden injustices or inequalities motivates people to push for change. Example, learning about censored stories of marginalized groups can inspire activism and allyship. 5. Encouraging vigilance against suppression. Understanding how and why knowledge is suppressed makes people more vigilant in seeking the truth and protecting free speech. Example, books on censorship teach readers to recognize signs of intellectual oppression and defend their rights. Reading about forbidden or controversial topics broadens your understanding of history, science, or philosophy and introduces alternative viewpoints. Banned knowledge often introduces unconventional, hidden, or marginalized ideas that challenge traditional worldviews. Engaging with such material helps readers broaden their understanding of the world. Here's how. 1. Challenging conventional beliefs. Banned knowledge questions established ideologies or norms. This encourages readers to think beyond societal conditioning and explore alternative viewpoints. Example, works like Galileo's writings on heliocentrism forced people to rethink the Earth's place in the universe. 2. Amplifying marginalized voices. Many banned books include perspectives from historically silenced groups, such as indigenous peoples, women, or minorities. Engaging with these works fosters empathy and a more inclusive worldview. Example, books like The Color Purple by Alice Walker highlight the struggles and resilience of African American women. 3. Encouraging open-mindedness. Reading suppressed or controversial ideas forces readers to step out of their comfort zones. This process reduces bias and helps develop a more nuanced understanding of complex issues. Example: exploring philosophical texts on alternative ethics, e.g., Nietzsche's works, broadens moral frameworks. 4. Fostering innovation. New ideas often stem from unconventional thinking. By exploring banned knowledge, readers can draw inspiration for innovation and creative problem solving. Example: Tesla's lesser-known work on wireless energy transmission inspires new technologies today. 5. Deepening cultural and historical insight. Banned knowledge often reveals lesser-known aspects of history or culture, enriching our understanding of humanity. Example: books detailing suppressed aspects of the Cold War provide a fuller picture of its global impact. Why this matters? Exploring new perspectives helps readers grow intellectually and emotionally, making them better equipped to navigate a diverse and rapidly changing world. It also fosters respect for differing viewpoints, contributing to greater social harmony. 4. Encourages freedom of thought. By tackling ideas that have been restricted, these books advocate for intellectual freedom and the importance of questioning authority. Banned knowledge often challenges societal norms, censorship, or authoritarian control, emphasizing the value of independent thinking. Engaging with such material encourages freedom of thought in these ways. 1. Breaking free from censorship. Banned knowledge often represents ideas suppressed to maintain power or control. Engaging with these ideas allows individuals to think beyond imposed restrictions and explore alternative perspectives. Example: books like 1984 by George Orwell highlight the dangers of censorship and the need for intellectual freedom. 2. Encouraging individual interpretation. Freedom of thought thrives when individuals are encouraged to form their own opinions. Banned works often present complex, controversial ideas, urging readers to analyze and interpret without bias. Example: philosophical texts by thinkers like Voltaire or Nietzsche challenge readers to create personal philosophies. 3. Resisting conformity. Societies sometimes suppress dissenting ideas to enforce conformity. Banned knowledge inspires individuals to resist groupthink and embrace diverse viewpoints. Example: Galileo's scientific theories challenged the Church's authority, promoting independent reasoning in science. 4. Defending intellectual autonomy. Suppressed works remind readers of their right to access information and think independently. This fosters a culture of intellectual autonomy, where individuals value curiosity and critical inquiry over blind obedience. Example: books like Fahrenheit 451 Inches by Ray Bradbury illustrate the perils of losing the freedom to think and read. 5. Inspiring social change. Freedom of thought often leads to questioning injustice and advocating for change. Banned knowledge has historically inspired movements for civil rights, equality, and democracy. Example: the autobiography of Malcolm X was controversial but empowered countless individuals to challenge racial inequality. Why it matters? Freedom of thought is essential for personal growth, innovation, and the progress of society as a whole. By engaging with banned knowledge, individuals reclaim their intellectual freedom and contribute to a world where ideas can be exchanged openly and respectfully. 5. Inspires creativity and curiosity. Forbidden knowledge can spark curiosity, leading to personal growth, innovation, or the pursuit of deeper understanding in various fields. Banned or suppressed knowledge often challenges conventional ideas and exposes hidden truths, igniting a sense of curiosity and sparking creative thinking. Here's how engaging with such material fosters innovation and exploration. 1. Encourages thinking outside the box. Banned knowledge often presents unconventional solutions, theories, or ideas. This challenges readers to reimagine possibilities and think beyond traditional frameworks. Example: Nikola Tesla's controversial ideas on free energy have inspired modern innovations in renewable energy technologies. 2. Sparks questions and exploration. Suppressed information often reveals gaps in commonly accepted narratives, prompting readers to ask why and explore further. Example: books on ancient civilizations, like Chariots of the Gods by Eric von Daniken, spark curiosity about humanity's origins and technological advancements. 3. Fuels innovation. Creative breakthroughs often emerge from exploring forbidden or neglected ideas. Example: Controversial works in art, like those by Salvador Dali or other surrealists, challenged norms and reshaped modern artistic expression. 4. Stimulates intellectual growth. Curiosity about suppressed topics leads to deeper research and learning, broadening the scope of personal knowledge. Example: learning about suppressed medical discoveries or alternative therapies can lead to advancements in health sciences. 5. Challenges creative constraints. Suppression of ideas often reflects societal fears or taboos. Engaging with such ideas inspires creatives to question boundaries and explore taboo subjects. Example: literary works like Ulysses by James Joyce, once banned, inspired new narrative techniques in literature. 6. Encourages problem solving. Exploring controversial or banned knowledge can reveal alternative approaches to solving persistent problems. Example: suppressed ecological knowledge, such as permaculture practices, offers innovative solutions for sustainable agriculture. Why this matters? Creativity and curiosity are essential for both personal fulfillment and societal progress. By engaging with banned knowledge, individuals unlock new ideas and possibilities, enriching their lives and contributing to innovation in various fields. Thank you all.